Today I received my package. There it is. My old one burned out and I received a new one. It only took about a week. Today's the 15th. Got a HDMI cable. A website, anyway, we'll show that. But this is what's inside. I'm quite impressed. I labeled it the cable, camcorder cable. USB cable, because I don't want to get mixed up. And TV cable. And yeah, 3 plugs. This one gave me a charger. Plugs in the wall. I was impressed. The other one didn't give me one. A handle, carry on the shoulder. Remote. And get it out. Nice carrying case. And it's a lot looser, a lot more loose than the other one. See? And there's the camcorder. And when you open this one up, it actually works. Voila. I just don't have my SIM card in it yet, SD card. Anyway, there it is.